Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Travels by Auntie Jennie. Today, with the help of my doggies Duke and Lady, we will be doing another unboxing of my newest snack crate of the month. Just know I'm not sponsored by Snack Crate in any way. I'm solely a subscriber that enjoys snacks from around the world, and I love sharing what I receive each month. This month's snack crate is Hong Kong. Fun facts about Hong Kong. Hong Kong has more Rolls Royce per person than any other city in the world. In a global billionaires list from 2020, Hong Kong ranks 7th. Almost 100 Hong Kong citizens are said to have a net worth of $1 billion or more. Apartment buildings in Hong Kong often do not have fourth floors. The word four sounds similar to the word death in Chinese, so it is considered unlucky. The bronze Buddha on Lantau Island is the most significant Buddha statue in the world, towering over 35 meters high. Hong Kong has the most skyscrapers, classified as building with more than 14 floors in the world, double that of its nearest rival, New York City. Okay, so here's the first one. Hell's potato chips. Super spicy. Hell's potato chips. Beware, these super spicy potato chips are not for the faint-hearted. This crispy snack will take your taste buds to an HE double hockey sticks and back. You like those, my boy? These are want crackers. These crispy fried rice cracker balls are coated with a slightly sweet and spicy seasoning, making them the perfect afternoon snack. This is called Ninja Gummy Cola. Not your average gummy, this unique candy has a semi-hard shell surrounding a soft sparkling cola flavored center. This ninja is all business when it comes to flavor. Mixed berry pastilles. These soft pastilles have a vibrant berry flavor that floods your mouth with fruity delight. Made with real black currant juice, this snack is not only tasty, but it's also a great source of vitamin C. Pepsi. So this is Pepsi. Pepsi Osmanthus. The first Pepsi ever developed exclusively for the Chinese market. This tasty cola draws inspiration from the native flowering Osmanthus plant. Okay, so this is called Roller Coaster Rings. If you're looking for a wild ride jam packed with flavor, then these crunchy potato rings are for you. This snack is dusted with savory barbecue seasoning to keep you coming back for more. Oh man, this might be my favorite. This is called Meiji Gummy Choco. Sweet and chewy bite-sized strawberry gummies coated in a thick layer of rich milk chocolate. Think of this snack like a chocolate-coated raisin's cooler older sibling. Okay, so this is called Monster Noodle Snack. Crunch it, shake it, munch it. This noodle snack is meant to be eaten dry. Break it up and pour it on the seasoning packet for a completely new snacking experience. This is called Garden Cream Wafers. Open the door to flavor heaven with these light and fragrant vanilla wafers and bite into smooth strawberry cream filling for a truly blissful experience. Malt Kiss Crackers. A flaky, buttery malt cracker with the perfect snap. This unique treat features a sweet layer of bruleed sugar on top, giving graham crackers a run for their money. High Chew Peach. The satisfyingly chewy Asian candy classic you all know and love, now in a bright fruity peach flavor. This popular treat is a true summer delight. These are known as 4 C's Daifuku, a fresh take on a traditional Japanese wakashi. This soft marshmallow snack has a creamy chocolate filling that spills out with every bite. Thank you for watching. I hope my video was helpful enough for you to get an inside look on what to expect when subscribing to Snack Crate, which is a monthly subscription where you get a box of goodies from different countries from around the world. And if you really enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Travels by Auntie Jennie. Have a great day.